Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up your Weathertech floor mats. I did a lot of research on the internet and found a method that I believe I've perfected here on how to clean these Weathertech floor mats. When I first got them, you can clean them, scrub them down and everything, but then they just look kind of dried out and just not real good, like brand new. So today I want to show you how to get those things looking like brand new whenever they first came out of the box. Obviously I did a review a while back on the 2014 High Country that we have the Weathertech floor mats in. Recently got some for my wife's car, front and back, and she is loving them, but hers were looking a lot better than mine, so I started doing some research and found a way to make these things look brand new again. So I'm going to demonstrate on the front floor mats here so you guys can see. Let's open the door here. I'm going to pull these mats out, but you can see they're pretty well used here, so I'm going to clean up one so you guys can see kind of a before and after. First, let's pull the mats out. Mat one. Here's the money shot right here. Look at these. This truck does get used, guys. And out with mat two. Alright guys, so I got the mats laying here. Passenger on this side, driver on this side. I got them reversed from what they should be. You can see they're not terrible overall. Obviously dirty, but you can see like right in here where it's just worn looking, and that'll be even more apparent whenever I clean these things up. So first things first, obviously, just going to shake them out. And then for the first stage of cleaning, what I recommend doing is getting your garden hose or a pressure washer would work even better. Pressure wash these liners out. Then take just a little bit of Dawn dish soap, put it right on there, and then scrub with some sort of scrub brush. You can see I've got some hair in this one. But that way we're going to get everything nice and clean, and then we'll just rinse it off, and then we're going to dress it with something that is going to make these just look brand new again. So let's go ahead and start on this mat. I'm not actually going to do this mat just yet. I got to get a thumbnail so we can kind of do a before and an after. So let's go ahead and get started. Close it off. Just get a little bit of Dawn dish soap on there. I'm going to rinse my brush out here. And I'm just going to start scrubbing on it. Alright, we've got this thing nice and lathered up. I'm just going to go ahead and hose it off. Hose my brush out too. Okay, so we've got it cleaned out. I'm going to shake the excess water off. And now, they look pretty good whenever they're wet like this, but as you guys will see as this dries, it's going to look kind of crappy afterwards. So now comes the easiest part of the job here. We're going to let this guy sit and dry for a bit, and then we'll come back. We'll turn it that way it's getting the most sun exposure it can, and the water will kind of run off that way. Boy, on a hot summer day here in northwest Arkansas, it doesn't take long for stuff to dry out. As you can see, the mat's pretty well dry, and you can see what I mean. It's kind of discolored now that it's dried out and that we've cleaned it. It still looks a lot better than it being dirty, and if you weren't too worried about it looking brand new, then this would be just fine. You could throw it back in the truck, but I want to get this looking really good. So we're going to take it a step further. And I'm going to show you a product that just got in the mail the other day. I'm going to drop the tailgate here so we can look at it together. Alright, so we open up the box, and here it is, guys. Renegade Rebel Rubber Vinyl and Plastic. So I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys to this stuff on Amazon, and I'm going to do some more videos on it, just what it can do. This stuff is like a miracle in a bottle right here. You can use this stuff to treat your plastic trim and whatnot, which I'm going to do on the Duramax, and we'll do a more in-depth video. But primarily for today, we're doing the Weathertech floor mats here with this product. And just as I said, I'm going to leave you guys a link down below to Amazon for this exact product. It is a little pricey, but it is one of the best on the market. You can see down below it's anti-static, which is a huge plus, keeps dirt and stuff off of your off your wheels, tires, plastics, whatever you put this on. And I actually caught wind of this by checking out Eddie's life. Eddie is another YouTuber, and I watch pretty much all of his videos. Dude is really smart and knows how to take care of his stuff. So I got this on his recommendation. He has another really good video on this product here. So shout out to Eddie. Thanks, man. This is some high quality stuff right here. So it comes in a bottle just like this, and we even get a sprayer. So it doesn't say to shake it or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little shake. Just pop the top here. It's got a little cap in there. I mean, it's not even like a peel-off cap or anything. I mean, that's high quality right there. It's got a pretty nice smell to it too. So I'll go ahead and put our sprayer together. And there we go. I'm gonna give it a few sprays directly on here, or you could do it on the microfiber. So just a few sprays. Let's rub it in here. Already looking tons better, isn't it? Look up here compared to down here. Let's go ahead and hit it with another spray or two. And keep working. And I will say, guys, a little bit goes a long ways. As you can see, I only did maybe 4 or 5 squirts on this, and it is looking really, really good. Alright guys, how does that look? Alright guys, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. We got it nice and cleaned up, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it up on the side of the Duramax here so you can see the after versus before. This is before. This is basically the mat taken out, shaken off. And this is after over here. Looking much better, basically looking like brand new. So I'm going to go ahead and touch up this mat. We're going to get it looking brand new again, and we'll throw them back in the truck. Okay guys, whew, now that the mat's dry, it's really starting to look used now. You can just see how it doesn't have that nice dark black color. It's just kind of faded like right in here and whatnot. So this is going to be an even better example of what this product can do. It's a little product. And just like that, guys. Look at that, looks basically brand new again. Just take your time wiping this stuff in. I mean, not that it takes all that much time, but then you've got yourself a brand new looking mat there. So let's go ahead and throw this guy in the truck. We've already put the other one on the other side. Let's see how she looks. So much better now, much cleaner. So I think it's really going to do wonders on this down here, which you can see is pretty well used and kind of scratched up. So I think it's really going to help with that, but that may be another video for another day. And just for a little bonus action here, let's set that on the sunroof for now. I've had it since I bought the truck, because I bought it used. Some kind of scratches, scuffing in here, if you will. I'm going to see if I can clear it up with some of this Renegade product. Just give it a quick spritz and rub it in. Now, it definitely didn't clear it up, but it does look better. So, man, this is a no-brainer product here, guys. Super good stuff. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully, you guys can get your Weathertechs looking new. Weathertech does sell a product themselves to clean their mats, but I find that this is more universal. In my opinion, it's better I don't see any reason not to go with this. I mean, this is a multi-purpose. You can use it on your tires, you can use it on your plastic trim, and as you saw there, we can use it on your mats as well. So, big thanks once again to Eddie for recommending this. Another thanks to Renegade for making this product. I'm going to leave a link down to Eddie's channel down below. Guys, go check him out. He's got one of the coolest auto channels on YouTube right now. Alright guys, until the next video, take care.